number 2. And RRB Clerk Film. RRB Clerk Film paper number 2, question numbers 1 to 40. Now the first 4, first or the second priority. Definitely under the first priority. Not only this one, entire clerical prelims will be of the first priority. In this because out of those 80, you need to score minimum 72 marks. Isn't it? There is no chance for you to leave any question in this type of examination. And how many are there? There are some seven color boxes are one above the other in a stack. And the 3 boxes are arranged between blue and red. Now between blue and red, how many are there? There must be exactly 3. And 3 in between blue and red, maybe blue is above this red. That is one possibility, red is here. Red is above this blue, there is another possibility. Red and blue, there must be exactly 3 boxes. Now 3 boxes between red and blue. The next one, 2 boxes are arranged between black and pink. Now between black and pink, how many are there? There must be exactly 2. Now black and pink, there must be exactly 2 in any order. Black and pink in any order. 1 box is arranged between white and gold. Now between white and gold, there must be exactly 1. And gold color box is arranged immediately above blue. And gold is immediately above this blue, gold is. Now here again gold is at this place. And 1 between gold and white. Now gold and white, can you have white above this gold in the first case? No. Why? Because we have 6 boxes. Now if you add these 2, then it will be 8. Hence white cannot be above this one. Hence white must be here. Must have been gold and white. The next one, gold and white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes were done. Now we are left with 1 more. Now in between black and pink, there must be exactly 1. As is exactly 1, if black is here, then pink will be here. Or pink is here, black will be here. Then out of which 1 box is arranged between pink and brown. Between pink and brown, there must be exactly 1 brown is. Then this is a black image. And black color box is arranged above red. Black is above this red, and this is the valid arrangement. Done with this? Then how many boxes are above the white color box? There are only 2 boxes, choice for question number 1. And which among the following is odd one? Blue and black. Now between blue and black, there is exactly 1 box. And gold and white, between gold and white, there is exactly 1. Black and red. Now between black and red, there is black and red, there is exactly 1. Pink and brown, there is 1. And white and brown, there is exactly 1. Now if you observe in all the given choices, there is exactly 1 box between these 2. Then we need to identify the order. Now blue is above this black color, and gold is above this white color. Black is above this red color, and next pink is below this brown color, except choice 4. And in the remaining choices, the first box is above the second box. Then how many boxes are in between brown and gold? Now between brown and gold, how many? There are exactly 3 choices. And which among the following statement is definitely true? Blue is immediately above white. Blue is immediately above white, that is definitely true. Isn't it? Blue is immediately below white. Now blue is immediately below white is definitely false. And 2 in between pink and blue. Between blue and pink, there must be exactly 2. That's again false. Red is second from the bottom. That is definitely true. And black is immediately above gold. Black is immediately above gold. That is false. And for choice 3, question number 4. The next one, question number 5 onwards, it is based on directions. Arun is going 5 meters to the north direction to meet a balloon. Now this is the starting point of this balloon. From here, Arun, what is the distance to have? 5 meters. And he has taken 8 meters each direction to reach Harsha. Now from here, now 8 meters to reach Harsha. Harsha is here. And from here, and then he has taken 10 meters south to reach Mega. From here, Mega is here. Mega. And what is the distance to have? 10 meters. Now this is 5 and this is another 5. And then taken 13 meters west direction. From here, west direction 13 meters, this is 8 and 5, 13 meters. And to reach Mitra. Now from this Mitra, and finally taken 5 meters north to reach Rudra. From here, 5 meters north to reach Rudra. Then, now this is the final arrangement we have. Then what is the distance between these two? This is 5 meters. And Rudra is in which direction with respect to ball? And Rudra is towards which direction with respect to ball on? Yes, what is your answer here? Southwest. And Rudra is towards which direction from Balu? Balu ki Rudra ki direction west kada. Now Arun is 5 meters to the north, and then Arun is 5 meters north to reach Balu. Arun starting point from here, and this is then, and this is south and west south, and southwest choice 4. And what is the approximate distance between Mitra and Harsha? Now between Mitra and Harsha, the distance between these two. Now we need to find out this distance. Now 5 plus 5 is how much? 10. 10 is 100, and the horizontal distance 5 plus 8 is how much? 13. 13, 169. Sum of these two, 269. And approximately equals to 17 meters to 89. And choice 4, question number 6. Then question number 7. And what is the distance between them? Now who is the shortest distance between them? Now the shortest distance between Arun and Harsha. And what is the distance we have between 5 square plus 8 square? 25 plus 64 is how much? 89. Mitra and Arun. Now between Mitra and Arun, Mitra is here and Arun is here. 5 square plus 5 square, that is 50. And next one, Megha and Arun. Megha is here, Arun is here, 8, and this is 5. 8 square plus 5 square, 64 plus 25, 89. And Balu and Rudra, 5 and 5. That is root of 50. And Arun and Rudra, that is just 20. Then tell me which is the minimum here. Choice 5, question number 7. Then next one, 8th one. Then coming to question number 8. Now in the given word available, AVA, ILA, BLA. Now in the word available, if all the vowels are changed to the next letter, A will become B. Now this is B, J, B, and F. Vowels next letter and consonant previous letter. Consonant previous, B minus 1 will become U, L minus 1 is K. Now this is A and this is K. Then all the letters are arranged in alphabetical order. And eliminate the repeated letters. Then which of the following will be thought from the left hand? Eliminate the repeated letters. This is A. Next one is B, isn't it? Now tell me whether B should be written or not. Completely eliminating this one, isn't it? Hence B should not be taken. Now first one is A, next one is F, and the next one is J. And next one is A. J is answer choice to question number 8. Then 9 onwards the sequence. How many questions are there under this one? Only 3 were given. And if all the symbols are deleted, which of the following is the 4th to the right of 4th right and 11th left? And 4th right, 11th left. Left and right directions are opposite. Then we need to add these two. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 from where? Left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15, that is choice. Now if all symbols are deleted. Now symbols are deleted, then we need to find out 15 from the left without the symbols. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Choice 3, question number 9. Then 10th one, how many symbols are there? Immediately followed by a digit. And immediately followed by a digit. And letter respectively. Immediately followed to preceded. Immediately preceded. And how many symbols are there? Immediately preceded and immediately followed by a digit and letter respectively. And symbols which are immediately preceded by digit and immediately followed by letter. How many are there of such type? Digit, symbol, and a letter. My symbol mundu digit aithe ledhu. This symbol, digit, and a letter. Now this symbol, and it is not preceded by letter, digit. Now this symbol, digit, and a letter. Next one, symbol not preceded by digit, symbol, digit, and a letter, and symbol, digit, and a letter, symbol, digit, symbol, digit and a letter. And so many are there as of now, more than 4 choice. Then which one is 7 to the left or 21st, 28th from the left hand? 28 minus 7, 14, isn't it? And 14th from which direction? 21st from the left hand side. Now 21st from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21st, that is C choice. Then coming to question number 12 onwards. Now there are only 6 persons and seated KLM and RS seated in a linear row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And all the persons are, some of them are facing north and some of them are facing south. Some north and some south is given. And there are 2 persons in between K and S. Now in between K and S, there are exactly 2 people. And 2 persons between K and S, M sits second to the right of K. M is seated second to the right of K. And K is here, M is seated second to the right hand side of K. And next one, only 1 person between R and S, and both are facing the same. And R and S and R and S, and both these 2 persons are same direction. R and S, same direction. And next one, and L is facing the same direction as S. That means R, L, and S, all the 3 persons are facing the same direction. Then N sits to the immediate left of S. N is to the immediate left hand side of S. And S, who sits second from the left hand. S is seated second from the left hand, S must be here. Now if S is here, and if S is facing towards north, then N will be here, that is one possible. What is the next possibility we have? Now if S is facing towards south, N will be here. And next one, if N is here, now between S and K, how many? There must be exactly 2 Ks. Now here also between S and K, there must be exactly 2 K. Now between R and S, there is exactly 1 person. R is here. Now here R is here. Now between K and M, we need to have exactly 1 person. M is here. Here it is not possible. Then tell me who is the person left over here? L is the person. Then N is to the immediate left of S. S, who sits second from the left. M and L are facing opposite. And immediate neighbors of S are facing the same direction. Then coming back to this one, M is seated second to the right of K. M is seated second to the right of K. Now K must be facing towards. Now we have done with this information. And next one, N is to the immediate left of S. We have done with this information as well. And R and S, M and L are not facing the same direction. And L is facing the same direction as S. L and S are facing the same direction, LS. R is also facing the same direction, that is north. Then in this one, M and L are facing opposite direction. L is north, M is south. The immediate neighbors of S are facing same direction. And N and M are facing towards. Then who among the following sits third to the right of S? Third to the right of S, K, that is choice 3, question number 12. And 13, who among the following sits to the immediate left of K? Immediate left of K, L, that is choice 1. And find the odd one. M and K, there is exactly 1. R and L, there is 1. S and K, there are 2 people. N and M, 1. S and R, 1. Except choice 3. And in the remaining, there is exactly 1 person between these 2, choice 3, question number 14. And 15th one, which are the following statements is true about N? 2 persons between N and K, that is false. N and M are facing opposite, that is false. N sits second to the left of R, that's again false. More than 3 in between N and L, definitely true, choice 4, question number 15. Then 16th one. Now the digits of the number. What is the number we have? 5, 6, 7, 3, 2, 9, 8, 4. Now in this one, the digits of the number are arranged in increasing order from left hand side to right hand side within the number. Then how many digits will remain in the same position after this one? Now we need to arrange all these letters in the alphabetical order. Now how many digits are there? 8 digits without 1. No digit is repeated. That is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And so many remain at the same place? 1. 1, that is choice to 16. The next one, there are some 8 persons seated around a circular table, and all these persons are facing towards the center. 8 persons seated around a circular table, and P sits second to the right of S. Now I am taking S at this place, and P is seated second to the right hand side of S. And there are 2 persons between N and P. N can be here, left hand side, or N can be right hand side. And so many possibilities we have here. There are 2 possibilities. Now if S is here, then P is here, and if P is 2 persons between P and N is here. Saripenda? And next one, 2 persons. R is to the immediate neighbor to P nor N. R is not adjacent to P and N. Isn't it? R is not adjacent to P and N. Here again, R is not adjacent to P and N. R is not adjacent to P and N. M sits to the immediate right of P. M is to the immediate right of P. Then next one. And R and T are not immediate neighbors. R and T are not immediate neighbors. And T can be either here or here. R and T are not immediate neighbors. Then M sits R and T, only 1 person between T and O. Now in between T and O there must be exactly 1 person. Hence T cannot be here, T is here. If T is here, O is here. And if O is here, who is the person after? Q is the person. Done with this? మీకు ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఆర్కి 2 పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి మనకి. అందుకే దాన్ని ఏం చేసాను చెప్పండి, స్కిప్ చేసి సింగిల్ పాసిబిలిటీ దగ్గర ఫిక్స్ చేసి. అండ్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్వాలిడ్, ఎలాగ తప్పదు అప్పుడు ఆర్ తీసుకోవాలి. దెన్ యూ నీడ్ టు వర్క్ ఫర్ ద రిమైనింగ్ కేసెస్. దెన్ మనకి పాసిబిలిటీ రాసుకొని పక్కన పెట్టుకోవాలి. సడన్గా ఒకటే దొరికింది, దీనికి స్కిప్ అయ్యారు. అట్లీస్ట్ యూ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు సేవ్ 1 minute in this one or not. Then who sits second left of M? My M is second left. Q, that is choice 3. And how many persons are in between P and T? Now in between P and T, how many are there? 1. Now 1 person in between P and T. Again, we need to have the direction as well. From the left hand side of P or to the right hand side of T. అలా ఇచ్చుంటే మనకి ఇంకా క్లారిటీ ఉంది. Clear? Then 19. Which among the following is the odd one? Q and M. 1 person, S and O. 1 P and T. 1 M and N. 1 R and Q. 1. Then we need to check out the direction as well. What is the direction? Q and M. Now Q is second to the left of M, and S is second to the right of O. S is right hand side. And P is second to the left of P. M is second to the left of N, and R is second to the left of Q. And so what is the answer here? Choice. Except the remaining are following the same pattern, 19 choice. And 28. Which among the following is definitely true? Q and P are facing each other. That is false. And 2 persons are in between S and T. In between S and T, there are 3. O and Q are immediate neighbors. That is again false. 1 person between R and M. That is false. All are false. Choice for question number 20. Then 21 onwards. Now blood relations. Then a family of 3 generations and consists of 8 persons and 3 married couples. As there are 3 married couples, how many persons got married? 6, and remaining 2 are unmarried. Then M is the only daughter of R. M is the only daughter of R doesn't mean that there is no sons. Daughter is only 1, and sons could be n number. M is the only daughter of R. S is the father of N. Now this is, he is the father of N. P is the sister-in-law of M. P is the sister-in-law of N means 2 possible. What are those 2 possibilities? Spouses, sister, or brother's wife. Then P is the sister-in-law, and T is the father of Q. Now this T, who is the father of Q, and Q is the niece of M. Niece of M means Q is the niece. M's siblings child. And there M's siblings child, daughter is Q. R is the grandmother of Q. Now this R is the grandmother of Q. R is the grandmother of Q. That means R's child's child is U. R is the grandmother of U. T is the son-in-law of S. Now T is the son-in-law of S. Then T and S. T is the son-in-law of S. T is having a child as well. As T is the son-in-law of S, then this S's daughters and S daughter's husband, that is T, son-in-law. Because this R is having only 1 daughter. That means T will be here, T is remaining. Then P is, whatever this P, and P is the sister-in-law of M. That means P is the sister-in-law of M. M's brother's wife. P is the sister-in-law. This goes because we need to have 3 couples. And 1 in the first generation and 2 in the second generation. And next one, P and S is the father of N. And S is the father of N, N must be here. We are done with this information. And T is father of. Once you get the information, the gender of this U is not known here. How is M related to U? M is the mother of U, choice to 21st. 22nd, how is U related to Q? U related to Q, the gender of U is not known. Another U gender, male or female? No, not known. For NGL. Now cousin. For cousin, there is no necessity to have gender, isn't it? And it's a choice for 22nd. How many female members are there in the family? Cannot be determined. Because U's gender cannot be identified. And it's choice by question number 23. Then 24 onwards. Now in this 24, there are some 7 persons. So are those 7? PQR, STUNV. And they live on 7 floors of the building. And 7 floors, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. How many floors are there? 7 floors. 7 persons staying on these 7 different floors. Then coming to condition number 1. First one, R lives above 5th floor, above 4th floor, but below 7th floor. R can be either on the 6th floor or R can be on the 5th floor. There are 2 different possibilities. And there are 3 between R and P. There are 3 in between R and P. In the first case, P is on the 2nd floor, and in the second case, P is on the 1st floor. And U lives on an odd number floor above S. And U, odd number floor above S. The word immediate is not given. May be immediate or may not be immediate. The next one, U lives on an odd number floor. Q is just below 2T. Now Q is just below 2T, and T and Q must be together. T and Q are together. And next one, U lives on an odd number floor above S, but not on the topmost floor. And U cannot be on the topmost floor. Hence, what are the different possibilities we have for this U? U cannot be on the 1st floor. Maybe 3rd floor, maybe 5th floor. Maybe 3rd floor or maybe 5th floor. Now, if you take U at this way, this is one such possible. Then S will be here. Now, if U and S were like, my S can also be anywhere below this. Then T and Q must be together. Then T is here, Q is. Now T and Q must be together. Then, and U and B are not living on immediate floors. Then Q lives on an even number floor, and Q lives on an even number floor. As Q lives on an even number floor, this case is not possible. Another, and Q cannot be on. Now, Q lives on an even number floor. Danta start cheskunde Q cannot be on the 2nd floor, cannot be on the 6th floor. And so Q must be here. Now Q is on the 4th floor, and T must be on the 5th floor. And then U is above this S, but not on the top floor. U is above this, yes. U is here, yes. Then tell me who is the person after? V is the person after. Then which among the following, who among the following lives on the top? Now V, that is choice for question number 24. And how many floors are there in between R and Q? There is only one, that is choice 325. And if all the persons are arranged in alphabetical from top to bottom, how many persons remain unchanged? That means starting with P, Q, R, S, P, U, V. None of the persons remain the same. Hence, no one choice for 26. Then 27 followed the following. S lives on 1st floor, and V 7th floor, T 5th floor, Q 4th floor, U 3rd floor, except Q. The remaining 4 are living on odd number floors. Q lives on an even number floor, choice for 27. Then 28. How many pairs of letters are there in the word contaminate? Contain. C-O-N-T-A-I-N-E-D. Now tell me in this one, how many pairs are there? Starting with C. D-E-F-G-H, D-E-F-G-H-I-J-K, O-P-Q-R-S-T, no letter, N-O-P-Q-R-T, no letter more than this one. B, C, D, E, that's it. Left hand side to right hand side, not even a single pair. And again in the reverse, D, E. D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. And N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. I, J, K, L, M, N. T, U, V, W, N, N. And so we have only 2 pairs. And 2 pairs choice from question number 28. Then 29 onwards, it comes under which category? 129. And putting and equal. B lesser than F. Now B is here, F is here. Now which symbol is common? Equal to. And not equal this one. Which is common here? Lesser than or equal to. B is either lesser than or equal to F. Here it is just lesser than. Maybe lesser, maybe equal. We are not 100% sure about lesser than. And C equals to Z. Now between C and Z, we need to have only equal to symbol. Do we have that one? No, hence neither one, not two. That is choice for question number 29. Next one, 30th. Now B and F. Now B and F answer chepali. B ki F ki madhyalo one lesser than, one greater than. Opposite symbol. Opposite symbol. Opposite no relation. Choice. Man either or vasuda. Either or choice. Clear? Man blank chodakandi. B and F. CBT lo raaledu. CBT chapter based test lo 2 questions I have involved this one. Either or man class lo discuss cheyala. First class. Second class CBT lo 2 questions include chesi. Isn't it? Chusara adi? CBT ki raaledu kabatti annaru okkasari. Neither nor nunchi either. Anduke nenu first మీకు అనుగుణంగా neither పెట్టేసి హ్యాపీ ఫీల్ అయ్యారు. ఇప్పుడు మారిస్తే కొద్దిగా కన్ఫ్యూజన్. నన్ దిస్ మా బీకి ఎఫ్కి మధ్యలో ఇప్పుడు ఏమని చెప్పండి? ఆపోజిట్స్. ఆపోజిట్ అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? నో రిలేషన్. I cannot say whether it is greater than, lesser than, or equal. How many possibilities do we have? Only 3 different possibilities. Maybe greater, maybe lesser, maybe equal. And they got 3 possibilities. Now in this one, I am not sure about the relation between B and F. Hence, if B greater than or equal to F is 2, lesser than will be false. And they got what is the other case? If B lesser than or equal to is 2, greater than will be false. మనకి మనకు 3 ఉన్నాయి. 3లో 2 సింబల్స్ ఒక దగ్గర ఇవ్వాలి, ఇంకోటి ఇంకో దగ్గర ఇవ్వాలి. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? ఈ రెండిట్లో ఏదో ఒకటి అయితే డెఫినెట్లీ ట్రూ అవుతుంది. Out of these 3, all the 3 symbols must be given. And these 3 symbols must be given in only 2 conclusions. And in one of the conclusions, we need to have 2 symbols, either greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to. My answer is either or. Either B lesser than or equal to F and B greater than F. Then also it is either. సరిపోయిందా? మనకి ఆ 3 సింబల్స్ ఉండాలి 2 conclusions లో. ఒక conclusion లో 2 సింబల్స్ ఉండాలి, ఇంకో దాంట్లో the other one. Then it is a case of either or. Then coming to question number 31. Now 31, there are some 6 members, P, Q, R, S, T, and E, and born in the same year of the different months, April, May, June. And what are the dates we have? April 11th, April 24th. Next one, May 11th, May 24th. And next one, June 11th and June 24th. April, May, and June. And 6 persons born in these 6 different dates. Then coming to condition number 1. And T is born in the month which has even number days. T even number days. Even number days, how many possibilities we have? 2 possibilities. Now T born in the month which has even number days, either in the month of April or in the month of June. Any possibilities of such happened? 4 possibilities. Then as of now, we are not starting with this. And 3 persons between R and Q. 2 in between P and S. S born with neither T. Q is younger and older. R is born on an even number date. Then now here 3 persons between R and T. Now if R is here, 3 persons between R and T are born on even number date. And T is born in the month which has even number dates. Now T equals T. And if you have T here 1, 2, 3, R will be here not possible. Because R must be even. Hence this case is ruled out. Now we have left with R in this. If R is here and T is here, R will be in this. That is one such possibility. And again in this case, I mean, possibility or if T is here, 3 persons between T and R is not possible. Then the other possibility at this place, R is. Done with this? And two possibilities here, 3 persons between R and T. T is born in the month which has even number days, and 2 persons between P and S. 2 in between P and S. S born with neither T nor R. S neither born with T nor with R. S cannot be in these two places. Now S, can we have S at this place? S ikkada undocha? Now if S is here, 2 persons between P and S is not possible. S cannot be here and S is here. If S is here, P is here. And again coming back to this one, now this S cannot be in these two. And again S cannot be here as well. Hence S is here and P must be at this place. Then Q is younger than U. Now this Q is younger than U, Q is here, U is. Now here also Q is younger than U. And older than R. Q is older than R. In this case, Q is also younger than R. This case is ruled out. Now we have left with the first case. Then how many persons are younger than S? There are only two choice to question number 31. And 32nd, you born in which month and which date? And March 11th, choice to 32. And which among the following is the odd one? S and U. S and U, and there are adjacent, and they were born in different months. And U and Q born in different months, and R and T born in different months, and P and U born in different months. And dates of result number dates same. Now P and Q are born in the same date, and P and U born in same date. R and T born on R and T same date. U and Q same date. S and U different dates. Then what is the answer here? Choice 1. Question number 33 is choice 1. The next one 34. And who is born on 11th of June? Now June 11th Q, choice 4, 34. Then 35 onwards. And only 3 questions were given under this one. Set of numbers. If all the prime digits are increased by 1, prime digits are increased by 1, all composite digits are decreased by 1, then which of the following digits appear maximum times in the new sequence? Then for this one, you have to write down each and every digit, because he is asking for repetition. Now next step. Now first prime number digits increased by 1. Now this 5 will become 6, and 7 will become 8, and here 5 will become 6, and here 4 and 6, and here it is 6. And at the same way, and composite digits minus 1. Now this is 3 and 5. And next one 8 becomes 7, and 4 becomes 3, and here 8 becomes 7, and 4 becomes 3, 8 becomes 7, and 9 becomes 8, 4 becomes 3. Then tell me which among the following digits appear maximum times. Now 3 appear for how many times? 4 times. Now 3 appear for 4 times, and at the same time 3 and 6. Now we need to check out for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. And suppose these two digits 3 and 6 were repeated for 4 times each. Choice 5, 35. And 36. First and the third digits of each of the numbers are interchanged. And that means first and the third digits are interchanged is nothing but the entire number will be reversed. Then are arranged in, and then numbers are arranged in ascending order, then which of the following will be second from the right hand. Now second from the right hand means all these numbers were arranged in the ascending order. That means now which digit come to the first place? Last digit. Among the last digit we need to find out the second highest. Agent, what is the first highest here? 8 is the first highest, and second highest 5 is the second. And so what is your answer? 465, choice 2, 36. Then 37. Now if all the digits of the numbers are arranged in ascending order within the number, how many numbers are there that remain unchanged? All the digits of the numbers are arranged in ascending order, then how many numbers are there? The new arrangement remain unchanged. Now see, all these digits are arranged in the ascending order. 3, 5, 8 will remain in the same order. They remain in the same. And 4, 5, 9, 4 must come before this one. 4, 5, 8, 7, 8, 4, 4, 5, 6. And what is your answer? 358, that is choice. Must repeat the If all the digits of numbers are arranged in ascending order within the number, how many numbers are remain unchanged? And that is given in choice 137. Then 38, many pins are keys. Many stands for what? Many means some. Many is some. Many pins are keys. This is pin and this is key. And only a few keys are kept. Only some keys are kept, but not all. And few caps are found. Some of the caps that are found. And some keys are found. Not a single key is found. All keys are found is true. No key is found is true. As no key is found is true, negative conclusion, to make this one false, now we need to draw some keys are found. Alternate diagram to previous conclusion false. And if previous conclusion is false, then what is the next one we have? My next one. Previous conclusion is false. Then now at the same time, some keys are found has become true. Then what is your answer here? Either one or two. Either one or two, that is choice 3, question number 38. Then 39th one, not a single bat is game. Isn't it? Not a single bat is game. No, bat is a game. Bat and game, and these two must be, should not be intersected. And only a few games are camp. Some of the games are camps, but not all. And every camp is a curve. Every camp is a curve. This entire camp is a curve. Many bats are curves, that is false. Many games are curves, definitely true. Only two, choice 2, question number 39. And finally 40, every cake is gate. All these cakes are what? All these cakes are gate. And only a few gates are lands, but not all. Only some gates, but not all. Every land is van. This entire land is a part of this van. Many gates are van, definitely true. And every cake is van is a possibility. Every cake is a van, is it possible or not? Yes, it is possible. And so your answer, both 1 and 2 choice. Done with this paper? Now this is about paper number 2, clerk to prelim IBPS RRB, question numbers 1 to